There's a bit of loads of ancient graffiti on the wall and stuff somewhere. I imagine there'll be crowds there today. Oh, there's one bit that wouldn't be that. I think it was a tall tower and the aqueduct connected to it. So it's like really high up and then it all just comes out. Oh, maybe they did, yeah. Yeah, it's still mad to think about that. It's that busy a place. Oh, yeah. Tying their horses to, but now they think it was for awnings. Yeah.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth filling the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found